Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to uninstall the old Adobe Flash Player. You should do this as well because Adobe has stopped providing updates since December and Flash Player can become a security risk. But for that, we need to know some data of our system first. For that, I right-click on the Windows button and go to System. I need the system type and the version. In my case, it is 64-bit and the version is 2004. We keep that in mind. Now I have to open the Microsoft Update catalog. I enter Adobe Flash and the version 2004 in the search and press Enter. I select Update for removal of Adobe Flash Player for Windows 10, version 2004 and my system type. In this case x64. Here on the right I click on Download and on this link. As you can see, the download doesn't start, but that's no problem. I make a right click, select Copy Link Address and enter the address in the search bar and press Enter. And here you see the link. When I press Enter now, the download will start. Now I install the update. So we wait for this. I click on Yes, and we follow the instructions in the update. The installation is complete, so I click on Close, and the update is now done. But I have to restart the computer first before everything is finished. I won't do that now, otherwise the tutorial would end here, but you should do that now. And with that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.